everybody, it's Jillian from Mama's Craft Sanctuary here for our craft of the week. Today we are going to be doing dry embossing, not to be confused with the embossing we did the other week with the powders. Totally different things, super fun. This is how you can make some really great textures with your cards or scrapbooks and whatnot. Let's get started. Everything you need for dry embossing is going to be down here. We're going to use the Cuttlebug today. This is a tool that's been around for a long time. It's a good one. If you're ambitious and want to try, I also have a Gemini, which is more of an electronic one. But today I'm going to be showing you how to do it with this. Okay, so for dry embossing, we are going to be using these little folders here, which basically have an image that's raised on one side and lowered on the other side. So we're going to put our paper basically right in here. And basically what's going to be happening is we're going to be rolling it through this, which is going to press it down really hard and basically make those bends or textures that are going to happen. So first thing I will show you with the Cuttlebug is when you pull these down, it also does a thing where it kind of suction cups the bottom, which is really nice because then as you're dealing with this, it's not going to be moving too much. Sometimes it loses grip after time. If that happens with you and is wiggling around, just pull them up again and put them down. It'll kind of reset it. So in this thing here, I've got a variety of plates and they're different sizes. If you want, there are lots of charts online and whatnot of which ones to use for which, but to be perfectly honest, I usually just kind of try some things and see what works. I do know that for the embossing folders like this, generally, you're pretty much always going to use this bottom one. That's going to take up most of the space in there. And then for these embossing folders, using 2 of the B plates are going to be a good thickness. Basically, you want it thick enough that it's going to push this really hard, but not so thick that it won't go through. It's really easy, okay? All you're going to do, you've got your big base plate, one of the plates, so since I needed 2 B plates for this one, I just put one here. Your folder with your paper, and then one more plate over the top of it, okay? That's all we've got. Now I'm just gonna put it in here. So it's resting, actually maybe I'll try it this way so you can see better. So it's just sitting here and I'm just gonna push it in and you can see the crank is gonna kind of show you which way you need to do it. And it's gonna be tight.